guys, what's up? I am going to be using September's BoxyCharm because this palette is just so perfect for this look. And this is really easy, smoky, sexy look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure that you've subscribed and you hit the notification bell so that you know every single time that I upload a video so you can keep up with Holo Week. Hope you guys enjoy it. I love you guys and let's go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and I'm just gonna fill them in like normal. So now I'm going to start with the smoky eye. So the cool thing about today's looks is that I am going to be using my September BoxyCharm. A lot of the BoxyCharm products, mainly 3 I believe, is what I'm going to be using. So I didn't do a BoxyCharm last month, so I'm going to be using the palette because I think this palette is perfect for a look like this. So if you guys had September BoxyCharm, you guys can totally create this look. So I'm using here the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. And I'm just putting that all over to prime and get ready for these smoky colors. We also got some Alamar brushes. I might use those as well. So the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. This is the palette we're going to be using because it has all these gray smoky tones, perfect for today's look. So I'm going to grab the one of these brushes and I'm going to get into hide and seek very gently, and it's like a gray type of shadow, and I'm going to start putting that into the crease lightly and carefully. So it's going to be a very wearable smoky eye for this first look. I'm going to take that and kind of carry that down with a fluffy brush so that it's diffused. I just want like a light gray wash of color. I'm going to get into this same shade, hide and seek, with a stiffer brush. I'm going to start to focus that here on the lash line. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to get into a black eyeliner. This is just the one I'm going to use. You can use whichever one you want. And we're going to get it really close to the lashes, and it can be messy because we're going to smoke that out. So I'm going to get a stiff brush like this, liner brush, and I'm going to smoke that out. I'm going to get into Swoop, and I'm going to start putting that into like on top of that black. I'm going to pack on a ton of color like this, and then I'm going to diffuse it upwards like so. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go over that with some more colors. Alright, I'm going to get a flat brush like this, and I am going to go into Pillow Talk and put that all over the lid. Ooh, it's a very light shade. Looks a lot. Doesn't look this light. And I'm kind of trying to avoid the lash line. Definitely doesn't look this light in the hand. I'm getting into Clutch, and I'm putting that on top because that was too light. Probably go into Clutch instead of using Pillow Talk first. Putting that into the lid. And then I'm grabbing Swoop and I'm going close to the lashes. And I'm gonna blend like crazy. So I'm getting Swoop on the blending brush to help me blend. The reason I put the shimmer down before I did this was because I wanted a little bit of shimmer to come through, but to still look smoky and like sexy. So I'm gonna lightly take Swoop and a little bit of Flip Out, which is right here, mixed with a little bit of that gray Hide and Seek, and I'm putting that in this outer corner. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go into All Nighter one more time and a little bit of Swoop, which is that brown, and I'm gonna get into this brush and make sure that I've really smoked it out close to the lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna get into Nocturnal, put it right underneath the brow. And a little bit in the inner corner. Actually, I'm just gonna spray my face, because if not, my face will be really dry with those products. So I'm gonna let that kind of sit. While that's sitting, I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna put on some lashes. And the lashes I'm gonna use are these Amore Us eyelashes in number 80, which are just very long. That's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the face. I have to lower my voice a little bit because the baby's sleeping, but I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing Foundation. This one's in the shade Medium Beige. And I'm going with this one because this one's kind of a little bit grayish. I always have to mix this with another one. So this is the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try putting the Girlactik Skin Glow Moonlight Cream Highlight, this one, on my cheekbones underneath the foundation and see if it'll still pop through. So I'm gonna use this one, kind of give myself some natural glow here. And I'm gonna put the RCMA powder all over. I'm just gonna smudge a little bit of Hide and Seek on the lower lashes, just a tiny bit. For contour, I'm using the ColourPop pressed powder in bronzer. I'm gonna use that to contour really lightly. And a little bit on the nose. I'm not really making the shape, just a little bit. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this blush color on the cheeks, and then I'm gonna put this gray blush, which is called Just Because from LA Girl, on top. But so does the like shiny pink color, so it just looks like, she's pretty, but there's something odd about her. And last is the lips. I'm gonna put on this deep color. This one is from the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Plum This Show. I hope you guys liked this look. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Comment below and tell me what you're thinking about being for Halloween. I would love to know. And enjoy yourself, you guys. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for a whole nother look. It's gonna get cool. creepy up in here. And I hope you guys enjoy this week. You guys, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll just see you guys tomorrow, I guess. Bye.